Pioneers, and welcome back to Early Settler Camp. This week we're going to be making soda bread. The reason why it's called soda bread is because of the baking soda as one of its 4 ingredients. The other ingredients include flour, salt, and buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, you can always use 2% milk and squeeze in a slice of lemon. It's one of the easiest breads to make as well. Enjoy! Alright, so let's get started. So what we're going to need is 4 cups of flour. And you can use a knife or your finger just to level out each cup. 1, 2, oops. It's okay if it gets a little bit messy. And last one. 4. Alright, number 1 ingredient in. Now, our second and the most important ingredient is going to be the baking soda. This is going to be our leavening agent so that the bread rises. And we are going to be doing 1 teaspoon of it. And again, level it out. And in it goes. Now our third ingredient is salt. So it's just going to be 1 teaspoon. Level it off and add it in. Now we are almost done. The next ingredient is going to be buttermilk. Now you have scored your bread and it's ready for the oven. And here we have our final product, a beautiful loaf of bread. The reason why soda bread was so easy to make is because it's called quick bread. The rising time is shorter and you do not have to knead twice, unlike traditional loaves. Loaves now use yeast, which wasn't commercially available until the late 1800s. During the era the pioneers lived, pearl ash or potassium carbonate was used as a leavening agent, which was the precursor to baking soda, and that would have been around the 1850s. Yeast is actually a species of fungi that digest sugars and flour, producing carbon dioxide as a byproduct. This process is called fermentation. Since baking soda is what is known as a chemical leavener, it means that, unlike the biological leavener yeast, it is not dependent upon temperature, altitude, or any other factors to work properly.